This call is now being recorded. Okay, Let's Set Dream is happy to welcome you all once again for the rapid fire quiz session 2 on the topics Shakespeare contemporaries to Jacobean age. We welcome you all for this rapid fire quiz session 2 on Shakespeare contemporaries to Jacobean age. And Setu, can you just share the next slide?
Yes, sir. Says it is good, sir.
No. Just share the first one. Like show the first page, front page. Leave it. Okay. No, it's not visible properly. Yeah, leave it like this. Okay, It's a Dream is once again welcome you all for the rapid fire quiz session 2, and the slides were prepared by me and Pradeepa. So this your success is our happiness. So once again I'm happy to welcome you all for the rapid fire quiz session 2 from Shakespeare contemporaries to Jacobean age. Okay, so let's start the session. And in the rules for the rapid fire session are like, if you know the answers, you can answer it. Okay, you can answer it in chat box too, and I will give some more time. I'll give some more time to discuss the questions. You can even ask your own questions, and you can also even discuss your own questions. Okay, so you're most welcome to discuss your own questions also. So now let's begin the webinar. Begin the rapid fire quiz session 2. That's on topic Shakespeare contemporaries and Jacobean age. Okay. So, Shetu, can you show the first question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Thomas Lodge lived during 1570 to 1637, 1594 to 1630, 1558 to 1625. Does anyone know the answer? A option 1570 to 1637. C.
Third option, third.
Oh, Alibaba sir is selling third, 1558 to 1625. Are you sure, sir?
Yes, sure.
Okay, is there any other options? Anybody want to answer?
Option C, sir.
Where is the answer? Oh, show me the answer. The answer is not visible. Yeah, 1558 to 1625. The answer is Thomas Lodge lived during 1558 to 1625. Go for the next question. The Poetaster published in. The Poetaster, you all know, it's a work by Ben Jonson. Do you know when it got published? Option A 1605, B 1601, C 1606, and D 1600. Udaya ma'am, do you know the answer? Nitya ma'am?
Yes, sir. Option D, 1601.
601.
601. Are you sure?
कंफ्यूजन है इसमें क्योंकि बहुत सारी बुक्स में मैंने पढ़ा है 1600.
Yeah, please say in English.
2, but here option is 1601.
Yes, it's 1601. So the answer, Setu.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's 1601. Yes, it's 1601. It's actually the work by Ben Jonson. This like the War of Theatres. You should remember this. John Marston and all wrote, no? For that, Ben Jonson wrote like this. Poetaster, Cynthia Revels and all. Just have a look at it, okay? Next, Cornelia is a play by. Cornelia is a play by. It's actually a French play.
Option C, Thomas Gibbs.
Does anyone know the answer? Cornelia. Is option A Lodge, B Peel, C Kidd, D Nash. Is it by Kidd? You all know. Subhadeep, is it by Kidd?
Yes, sir.
Is it so?
Cornelia is a play by.
Yes, it's by Thomas Kidd, I guess.
Hello.
Show me the answer. Is it by Kidd? Let's see. I know it's a
Yes,
French
right,
play.
right.
Show me the answer.
Because kid is interested in
Yeah,
writing
Kid
French
is
plays.
known for his Spanish tragedy. You all know, right? And he has written a French play even called Cornelia.
Yes.
Actually,
yes.
it's a French play. Yeah, it's by Thomas Kidd. Great. Show me the next slide. Galicia is a play by Galicia. Option A, Lily, B, Lodge, C, Green, and fourth one is Kid.
Yes, it's by Lily.
Lily, are you sure?
Yes, I guess so. It's Lily.
Other works of Lily, can you say?
Either poem or plays.
No, works written by Lily. Have you know? Do you know what are the works written by Lily? Euphemism, Anatomy of Wit, and all are written by her only. Have you remembered that?
Yes, euphemism is very important.
The major poem,
Yeah,
Endymion. I remember Endymion.
Endymion. Is
The
it a
moon
poem? Is
and
it a play by
the
Lily? No, Endymion is a
yeah,
play
yeah,
by
the
Lily.
moon in the sorry, the man in the moon.
Okay. Show me the answer. Is it by Lily? Let's see.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's John Lilly. Great. Okay, next question. Tamburlaine. You all know. This was written by Christopher Marlowe. It's the story of
Option C.
option C. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Scythian
Scythian
Shepherd.
Shepherd. It's a very easy question.
Ah, yes. It's a Scythian shepherd.
110%.
Ah. Show me the answer. Yes,
Yes.
it's a Scythian shepherd. It's by Scythian shepherd. Timur. You all know, right? Timur. That one. Okay. Next one. Marlowe's mighty lines first came in. Marlowe's mighty lines first came in.
I think the
Marlowe's
first,
mighty lines. Who said? Actually, Marlowe's mighty lines. Who said?
I think Ben Jonson said.
Yeah, it's by Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson said Marlowe's mighty lines. Okay. Marlowe's mighty lines first came in which work? Either in Edward II or Tamburlaine or Dr. Faustus.
I think his first work is Tamburlaine.
I think Faustus.
Are you sure? Is it from Faustus?
Dr. Faustus.
Let's see. I think it's the answer that Dr. Faustus. I'm also guessing that. Let's see. Show me the answer. I'm guessing even Dr. Faustus.
Yes,
See, I guess.
Masters.
Yeah, it's by Faustus only. Show me the answer. No, sorry. It's in Tamburlaine. Okay. Tamburlaine the Great.
Tamburlaine.
Okay. Next question. Thomas Kidd was the son of a
Well,
wine merchant, London notary, writer, dramatist.
see,
Option B, London Notary.
Sir, Shakespeare father is Hamilton now.
Thomas Kidd was the son of a wine merchant, London notary, writer, and dramatist. Do you know the answer? Does anyone know the answer? Thomas Kidd was the son of a...
I think B is something different, so I mentioned B. London notary.
When you are telling London notary, let's see. Show me the answer. I'm guessing wine merchant. Oh yeah, it's London notary. Okay, great. Those who said the right answer, great. Okay, next question. The famous play of Thomas Kidd is...
no.
It's an easy question. Everyone knows it, I guess. Famous play of
Spanish
Thomas
tragedy.
Kidd is... Yeah, it's a Spanish tragedy.
I think it's Spanish tragedy.
Is it? You only think that it's a Spanish tragedy? Not
Sir,
Soliman and Persida, Cornelia, Geronimo?
Sir, I think Hieronymus mad again.
Hieronymus Mad Again is the subtitle of Spanish tragedy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see the answer. I'm also guessing even it's Spanish tragedy. Maybe because Spanish tragedy is his
Spanish
masterpiece.
tragedy.
Show the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, great guys, great guys. Okay, actually the subtitle of Spanish tragedy is Geronimo is mad again. Okay, just remember they're asking in this question in it repeatedly. And last time when I wrote, they asked a question from Dr. Faustus, the Icarus myth and all. They just asked it. Okay, so just have a look at it. Dr. Faustus, Christopher Marlowe's works. You need to remember the chronology. Starting from Dido, the Queen of Cadres, Tamburlaine the Great, Jew of Malta, Dr. Faustus. From that you should remember. Okay, that's very important. Okay, next question. Who called Thomas Kidd a scorpion kid? Who called Thomas Kidd a scorpion kid? Option A Johnson, Samuel Johnson, Samuel Johnson, Dryden, Chapman.
Scorpion Kid.
Sangavi, are you sure? Is it C by Dryden?
King Edward.
Any more guesses? Who called Thomas Kidd a scorpion kid? Johnson, Samuel Johnson, Dryden, Chapman. Yay, guess. Subhadeep, is it? Because they may ask these types of questions also, like who set a lamp as and Wadsworth and all. You should remember these things because they may ask this question, like who praised whom. Those and all very important. You should remember that and all. Okay, coming to British literature and Jacobean age and all, these are like very important. Okay, show me the answer. Share to show the answer.
It is shown. So there is answer.
Say to show the answer, pa.
Sir, can't show the answer. Three things. Answer slide answer will be.
Wait, Ben Johnson. Okay. Okay. Next question. Thomas Nash was a satirist, humorist, playwright, allegorist.
I think he didn't write any allegories. Then playwright. No, he has written novel.
I think he's a satirist. Just take the answer. Does anyone have
Actually,
any
he comes
questions?
under two categories. Both he has written satire as well. Basically, he is known for his plays. So playwright as well as satirist. I couldn't come with the proper answer, but my guesses are A and C.
So let's see.
Option D, allegorist.
Ma'am, something you are asking, Nitya ma'am. He's a satirist.
Yes,
I said
sir.
right. He's
Yes,
written
sir.
many satire. Okay, next question. He's a satirist. Thomas Nash is a satirist. What is the important work of Thomas Nash?
So the next question is answer.
The Unfortunate Traveler or like that.
Unfortunate Traveler is a question. Okay, is the work? Yeah. Unfortunate Traveler published when?
1594.
15?
94.
Make it little bit louder. Okay. Just on your mic. Make it little bit louder. Keep your volume high.
Yes, the
You're unable
option
to
is C. 1594 actually.
1594.
How come? Why? How come you say 1594? Can you explain?
அவரோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒர்க் 91ல சம்திங் வரும் 92 அப்புறம் 94.
Show the answer is at 1594. Let's see.
Yes.
Yeah, great. Udaya ma'am, great. 1594, yes. But try to explain 1594 which work came and all. You should remember because we may expect anything from chronology. They may ask even Thomas Nash work also. We may not sure, but they may ask. Okay, next question. The Battle of Alcazar is authored by George Peele, John Lilly, Chapman, Lodge. Is it by John Lilly? Or is it by George Peele?
George Chapman.
So Sir, I think
No,
Pele.
it's by George Peel, I guess. I'm
Pele.
not sure
Yeah,
George.
it's
whether
by George.
it was
Even I'm
published
guessing that.
in the
I
year
know.
of 1591 or 1592, but it's George Peel.
Okay, let's see. I think the answer is George P. Let's see what the flashcard says.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's George Bill. Great, great guys. Great guessing. Okay, next question. Robert Greene's first work was
Think, mm,
Orlando Furioso, Friar Bacon, Friar Bungay, Memilia, Pandasto.
I think
Any more? Are you sure, Harini? Sit by Pandasto.
Option C, Amelia.
So, Pratik, you are asking me, is it C? Okay. Let's see. I think it's Orlando Furioso. Let's see. Are you sure, Memilia? It's his first work. Yeah, it's Memilia, and Memilia's his first work, and Pandastono that was taken by Shakespeare for his work Winter's Tale. He has taken the inspiration from this work Pandasto, and he has written the last work play that is called Winter's Tale. Okay, so just remember it. Just cross connect and learn. Okay. So next question. Cariola is a character in. Cariola is a character in. This is from, I can give a clue. This is from John Webster's plays. Cariola is a character in. The Broken Heart, Duchess of Malfi, The White Devil.
first two are John Webster works.
Cariola is a character in.
White Devil.
I think in
Are you sure?
Duchess of Malfi.
Duchess of Malfi.
Duchess of Malfi.
Okay. Let's see. I know even Duchess of Malfi. She comes. Okay. Let's see. The answer is correct. Cariola. So be the answer. Cariola. Yeah,
Yes.
Duchess of Malfi. Yes, Duchess of Malfi. Who are the characters who comes in Duchess of Malfi?
Sir, Duchess, then Ferdinand,
Cardinal.
Cardinal, then Bosola.
Ferdinand.
Bosolo is the okay villain.
Cardinal.
Bosola is a
Ferdinand. Then
So
he's
he's
a
the villain, but
character,
not
round character actually.
okay.
Anthony.
Just remember the characters from Duchess of Malfi. They may ask in the match the following. Okay. Cariola is a character in Duchess of Malfi. Okay. Next question. The mall content. The mall content. It's by Ben Jonson. Mall content is a
Play.
poem, play, novel, sonnet.
It's a play.
Play.
Are you sure? Is it a play?
Yes, it's a play.
Okay, let's see. Is any more guesses? Play, Larita ma'am. Let's see. Is it a play?
Yes, it's a play.
Show the answer. Yeah, it's a play. Okay, great. Malcontent is a play by Ben Jonson. Remember it, okay? Then Alchemist who wrote?
Ben Jonson.
Ben Jonson.
Then Epicon War, what? Epicon or?
Epicene or Silent Women.
Okay, Epicene or Silent Women. Then Cynthia Revels who wrote?
Same, he's a Ben Jonson.
Okay, where is the one that mask that comes in the Ben Jonson play? In which play the play ends with the mask? In which play?
Bartholomew Fair answer.
Bartholomew Fair. Okay. Gunpowder plot in. Let's go for the next question. Gunpowder plot in. Gunpowder plot. Have you remembered? Gunpowder plot.
Option B.
Are you sure 1605? Gunpowder plot, Guy Fawkes.
Yes, 1605 only.
Huh?
1605. Yes.
Are you sure? Any more guesses? Any more answers?
Oh,
1605, sir.
Okay, show me the answer. Is it by 1605? Yeah, it's 1605. Okay, next slide. Okay, who called Bacon style an index of the eminence of two modern world? Who called Bacon's style an index of the eminence of two modern world? Option A, Sainsbury, Dryden, Elsie Knights, John Donne. Sainsbury, what is he famous for? Sainsbury, what is he famous for? Anyone know Sainsbury?
Sir, he called the university. He called the
Coined
university.
the term university wits. Just remember, okay, John Sainsbury has coined the term university wits. Dryden, Elsie Knights, John Donne. What's the answer? Who called Bacon style an index of the eminence of two modern world? Is it by Elsie Knights? Kalichalim, are you sure? Is it by Dryden? Honey, are you sure? Is it by Dryden? Yeah, you are saying yeah.
A or C?
Let's see who's the answer. I'm guessing Elsie Knights. Guessing or guessing it? Okay, no problem. It's by Elsie Knights.
Yes.
Okay, just remember they ask this type of question also. Bacon style and index of the eminence of two modern world is said by Elsie Knights. Okay. Okay, next question. Which work of Bacon was left incomplete due to his sudden death? Which work of Bacon was left incomplete due to his sudden death?
I think New Atlantis.
New Atlantis.
Utopian work.
Are you sure? New Atlantis?
Yes, sir.
Sanghavi, what you're doing? You're not answering. Lalita ma'am. Are you sure? New Atlantis? Are you thinking? Okay. Show me the answer. Which work of Bacon was left incomplete due to his sudden death?
Yes, sir.
New Atlantis. Great. Those who said New Atlantis, great. Okay, next question. Move to the next slide. Who's the father of English realistic comedy? Who's the father of English realistic comedy? Option A, Ben Jonson, Chapman, Longinus, Haywood. Just neglect. Just do the elimination method. You will find the answer here. Who's the father of English realistic comedy?
Sir, Longinus sublime மட்டும் வரும். நம்மளுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஒரு சேனல் ஒரு வர மாட்டாரு.
No, you should do the elimination method. Don't ask me. Longinus, you all know. He's a critic who wrote on the Sublime. 5 types of Sublime are there. That and all we know. Haywood all know. He has written 220 plays. Shoemakers already. Oh, no, that's by James Decker. No. Then, what's the answer?
Option A,
Ben
Ben Jonson.
Sir, actually option A.
Is it so? Let's see. Show me the answer. Is it by Ben Jonson?
Yes.
Yeah, it's Ben Jonson. Great, man. Nitya, man. Great. Okay. Himanshi, you're quiet. You're not answering. Okay, next slide. Bobadil. Bobadil is a character. Bobadil is a character.
Covered
Option A, Bacon.
Sit by Epicene. Bobadil is a character in which play?
I think first one.
Are you sure everyone in his humor? Epicene, Sejanus.
He's a everyman in his humor. He's a boastful, cowardly, boastful soldier.
What? Can you explain clearly?
And the Bobadil is a cowardly, boastful soldier in everyman in his humor.
He's a boast. Is he a forceful soldier?
Bobadil is a cowardly, boastful soldier.
Okay, let's see the answer. I am even guessing every man in his humor because Epicene we don't see the character. Sejanus also we don't find this type of character. Yeah, great, great, guys. Just do this type of elimination method and find it out. You'll be able to easily know the answer. Okay. Yeah, every man in his humor. Okay, next one. How many tragedies of Ben Jonson are important? 5, 2, 3, 10. What's the answer? How many tragedies of Ben Jonson are important?
So I think he wrote 2 Roman tragedies.
Are you sure?
Is there Catullus? Is something about Catullus is conspiracy.
Okay, what are the tragedies of Ben Jonson actually?
One is Sejanus and
Sejanus.
second one starts with C.
Sejanus. It's Sejanus.
Yes, a Sejanus is conspiracy.
I don't know the
Catullus.
exact name, but it starts with C. That is what I remember.
Cynthia Revels?
Catiline or something. I don't remember.
Was it so? Okay.
But
Okay.
Sejanus is
It's
conspiracy.
actually 2 tragedies. Okay. How many tragedies of Ben Jonson important? Its answer is 2. One is Sejanus and another one is Catiline. Catiline in 1611, Sejanus in 1603.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will repeat it. Okay, 2 tragedies are important. That are one is 1603 Sejanus and another one is Catiline. 1611. Okay,
1605.
just remember it. Okay, next question. Its answer is 2. Sejanus 1603, Catiline 1611. Stable of News is authored by.
Staple of News is Ben Jonson. I think 16. Sorry, say 1660.
Say it.
Dryden.
Sure.
Dryden.
Dryden.
It's Ben
I
Jonson.
didn't hear this word of Stable of News. Dryden has written this word. I didn't hear like this.
I think 1660.
1660 by Ben
Dryden.
Jonson.
Oh, you said. Oh, at the last age he wrote this. No, he died in 1700, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Stable of News is authored by. Let's see who's the answer. Ben Jonson. Many are guessing.
Ben Jonson is the right answer.
Yeah, it's by Ben Jonson. Stable of News is authored by Ben Jonson.
Ma, क्या है करना सोचना अब जिसे यार कर बान
Please switch off your mic. Actually, it's a play by Ben Jonson. Okay, Staple of News is a Ben Jonson's early Caroline era play, and it's a satire. Okay, it's 1625 by Night King's Men at Blackfriars Theatre. They had they have performed it, and it was published in 1631, not in 1660 and 1631.
Sir, I think Devil Listen as 1616 and this work 1625.
Okay, how many sonnets are there in Amorati? Easy question.
89. 89.
89 love sonnets. To whom he dedicated?
Elizabeth Boyle.
Elizabeth Boyle. Yeah, great. Okay, go for the next question. It's easy. Just have a look at the important sonnets of Edmund Spenser. Okay, they may ask. Who wrote Bacon's biography? Bacon's biography.
Bacon's biography.
Sangavi, are you sure? Is it by Johnson? Samuel Johnson wrote Bacon's biography. Even Samuel Johnson didn't write any biography and all. Have you remembered that? He just wrote, even for him, this guy, no? Who's that? Samuel Johnson's biographer. Who's the Samuel Johnson's biographer?
Boswell. James Boswell.
James Boswell. He wrote the biography for Samuel Johnson. Let's see the answer. I'm guessing it's William Rowley. Let's see. William Rowley. Show me the answer. Yeah, William Rowley. Okay. With this, we've completed 50 questions. Okay, 50 questions. I will ask random questions from the Word document that I prepared. If you know the answer, you can answer. Otherwise, just type or else just listen. Okay. And if you know the answer, you can just type it in the chat box.
Add or which?
No, remember, close these things.
Sir, add.
Yeah, no problem. Just come to the first page and be there. We'll get the slides and Word document in our NetSet team group.
Yes, sir.
1 minute here, it's downloading. First book of Sydney published in the year. First book of Sydney published in the year. This is the question. First book of Sydney published in the year.
Sir, அவரோட folio 1598 publish பண்ணுவாங்க sir.
Yeah, that's the answer. Okay, 1598 first folio. Yeah, 1598. That's the answer. Astrophala and Stella is a work by easy. Astrophala and Stella is a work by
Sydney sir. Astrophil is a star lover.
Astrophil means what? Astrophil means
Star lover.
Yes.
Stella means
Star. He's love.
Astrophil star lover and Stella means star. Okay. University which word was first used by?
Sir.
University which word was first used by?
So George Sainsbury.
Yeah, Charles Sainsbury has coined the term. I already repeated this question. An alarm against the Lazarus is by. An alarm against the Lazarus is by.
இது Lodge young sir. Thomas Lodge.
Yeah, Thomas Lodge is the answer. An alarm against the Lazarus is by Thomas Lodge. Ben Jonson's famous prose work. I'll give the clue. Plato Dialogues for Ben Jonson what? Even it starts with the first letter D.
D. So Discoveries, Common Prayer Book.
Yeah, Timber or Discoveries is the Ben Jonson's famous prose work.
Is a commonplace.
Okay. Which play of Ben Jonson offended King James? Which play of Ben Jonson offended King James?
Isle of Dogs, 1597.
No. Actually, that's not the answer. Sorry.
Sir, as I repeat the question.
Which play of Ben Jonson offended King James?
James. Sir, offended means supported.
Offended means fearful, making fear. பயப்படுத்துறது.
Then
So let's say the answer. It's Eastward Ho. Eastward Ho. Okay, the answer is Eastward Ho. Is the play of Ben Jonson that offended King James. Who wrote Magnetic Lad? Magnetic Lad is a work by Magnetic Lad.
Sorry, sir. Repeat.
Magnetic Lad. MAGNETIC LAD. Magnetic Lad. Who wrote Magnetic Lad? It's also by Ben Jonson. Okay, Magnetic Lad is also by Ben Jonson. Okay, let's see this question. I will ask you this question. Ben Jonson's first folio appeared in. Ben Jonson's first folio appeared in.
Yes, sir. There is something. I think. 16 answer.
Yeah, its answer is 1616. Ben Jonson first folio appeared in 1616. Okay.
Yes.
Who wrote the book Francis Bacon, The Major Works? Who wrote the book Francis Bacon, The Major Works?
Sir,
No clue under. It's by Brian Fickers. Brian Fickers wrote the book Francis Bacon, The Major Works.
Yes.
Okay, this question everybody will be answering. Let's see. Bacon's first edition of essays consists of how many essays? First edition of essays. Totally 58 essays he wrote. First edition. I'm asking only about first
Is it
edition.
10?
Certain.
Yeah, 10 essays. Then second collection of Bacon essays published in. How many essays and which date it got published?
Sir,
Which year?
Sir, first
38
essay
essays,
97, 1612, 38 essays.
Okay. Shiloh, did you say something? You're on. The voice is I'm unable to hear.
Yeah, I said 16, 12, 38 essays.
Okay, great. That's the right answer. So what about third collection? Bacon's essays, third collection.
Addition 20, so total 58, 1625.
Yeah, 1625. First one is 16. Where is it? Answer. 8. 10 essays. First it came. Next it came with 16, 12, 38 essays and 1625, 58 essays. Totally 58 essays. Okay. Duchess of Malfi published in. Duchess of Malfi. We just saw the character alone in that slide. Now I'm asking the published date. Published year.
1613. 1613.
In third,
16?
13.
No.
1610. 12.
No.
something அதிகமா வரும் நினைக்கிறேன். 16,
I think
1623. 1623 is the answer.
1623.
How many acts are there in The Alchemist? How many acts are there in The Alchemist?
Alchemist.
It's actually a play by Ben Jonson, you all know that. How many acts are there in that?
Sir, actually he's a classicist. I think 5.
5 acts, yeah. Dapper is a character in. Dapper. DAPPER is a character in.
Sir, இது Alchemist answer.
Yeah, The Alchemist. Dapper is a
Yes.
character in Alchemist.
Alchemist.
Which play by Ben Jonson, which playwright Ben Jonson satirized in Every Man Out of His Humor? Every Man Out of His Humor, Ben Jonson satirized 2 playwrights. Who are the playwrights?
Even out of his humor.
Just think of the War of Theatres, whom he satirized for what he.
Sir, MD answer. Marston Decker.
Yeah, Thomas Dekker and John Marston. Remember like this: Thomas Dekker, TD and JM. Thomas Dekker, John Marston. Then Bartholomew Fair is a Bartholomew Fair. I just said you. Bartholomew Fair.
Johnson's comedy.
Final word.
Jacobean comedy. Mosca, Corvino, characters from which play? Mosca, Corvino, characters from which play?
Fox. Walpole the Fox.
Walpole the Fox, yes. Who wrote Cynthia Revels?
Cynthia Revels,
Johnson
quite
wrote.
Johnson.
Ben Jonson, yes. What is the original name of face in The Alchemist? Original name of face in The Alchemist.
Subtle answer.
No, Jeremy
No,
the
Jeremy-
butler is the
Jeremy-
original
Jeremy.
name of face in The Alchemist.
Yes, there is a Jeremy.
Who was the co-author of Isle of Dogs with Ben Jonson? Isle of Dogs.
Thomas Nash.
Actually, it was attacked. Yeah, Thomas Nash and Ben Jonson wrote it. Which poem Donne wrote in memory of Elizabeth Drury?
God.
For Elizabeth Drury, he has written one memory poem. What is the name of the memory poem?
Anniversaries.
Nidya ma'am, any answer? Nitya ma'am, Sangavi. It's an anatomy of the world. Anatomy of the world.
Anatomy of the world.
Coined the term metaphysical poets.
Metaphysical poets. Dr. Johnson answer.
Yeah, Samuel Johnson has coined
Samuel
the term
Johnson.
metaphysical. Yes.
Johnson.
For God's sake, hold your tongue and let me love. Above quote is taken from which work? For God's sake,
அடுத்து
hold your tongue and let me love.
தன்னோட work இது
John Donne.
sir, I think canonization is right.
Yeah, the canonization. For God's sake, hold your tongue and let me love. It's a work from, it's a quote from Donne's poem Canonization.
Canonization. Okay.
Like, I know this question you may answer, I guess. Let's see. The first biographer of John Donne was
John Boswell.
Isaac Walton. Isaac Walton.
Isaac Walton.
How many holy sonnets did Ben Jonson? Did John Donne write? How many holy sonnets did John Donne write?
19.
19 holy sonnets. Yes. Okay. The progress of the soul has how many lines? Progress of the soul has how many lines? The progress of the soul has how many lines?
And English again, sir.
It's actually 52 lines. Progress of the soul has 52 lines.
52.
Hymn to God in my sickness is a poem by. Hymn to God in sickness is a poem by.
Done answer.
Yeah, it's by John Donne. Hymn to God in my sickness is a poem by John Donne.
Done.
Huh. Better My Heart, 3% God is a poem by. Better My Heart, you all know. It's a sonnet 14. I know that. Who wrote that sonnet? Done.
Done.
It's done.
Done.
It's a holy song.
Done.
To His Kind Mistress
It's
is a work
done,
by
done,
To
done.
His Kind Mistress.
Andrew
Ben
Mark.
Johnson.
Andrew Mark.
Garden is a work by, not Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson won't
Metaphysical
come here. To His Kind
Andrew
Mistress is a work
Marvel.
by Andrew Marvel.
Andrew Marvel.
Garden is a work by?
Same Andrew Marvel.
Yes,
Yes.
Andrew Marvel. Yes. Then, who divided John Donne's poetry into 3 groups? Who divided John Donne poetry into 3 groups? No,
John Dryden.
Jesus Cora. The answer is Jesus Cora.
Jesus.
Or let's ask this question. Who said Donne affects metaphysics? Metaphysics, compare metaphysics. Who said?
Is a river. Prepare Dawn affects.
Dryden.
Yeah, it's Dryden. John Dryden.
Yes.
Jacobean period. Say the timeline. Jacobean period timeline.
1605 ல இருந்து
1603 to 1625.
1603 to 1625. Yes, correct.
1603 ல இருந்து 25 வரைக்கும். Sorry.
Yeah, 1603 to 1625 is the period of Jacobean period.
Charles James.
Who wrote A Woman Killed with Kindness? Woman Killed with Kindness.
John Haywood.
Haywood. No. Thomas Haywood.
Thomas.
He wrote 220 plays. Game of Chess by. The Game of Chess by.
Thomas Middleton.
Again,
Thomas Middleton. Yes.
Thomas Middleton.
Okay. Who is called as a sort of prose Shakespeare by Charles Lamb? Sort of prose Shakespeare by Charles Lamb.
No idea.
Thomas Haywood. Who is called as a sort of prose Shakespeare by Charles Lamb is called Thomas Haywood as sort of prose Shakespeare. Okay. Then let me come to the first question if you have anything. Who said John Donne must be regarded poet but not writer? Who said John Donne must be regarded poet but not writer? You don't know that.
Johnson answer.
No, Dryden. Who said John
Dryden.
Donne must be regarded poet but not writer? Dryden has said John Donne must be regarded poet but not writer.
Yes.
Okay.
Ben Jonson.
I asked these questions. Let's see. Which was the last staged play of Ben Jonson? Last staged play of Ben Jonson. I'll give a clue. So Jonathan Swift also written this with this name. That's a clue I can give you.
Johnson's.
Same name, same thing. But Swift called it as a religious allegory.
Oh, இது Tale of Tubba, sir.
Tale of a Tub. Yeah, Tale of a Tub was the last stage play of Ben Jonson.
Tale of Tubba.
Then, moreover, I have asked all these things. Who wrote Institutoria Magna? Institutoria? Huh?
Bacon.
Bacon. Francis
Bacon.
Bacon. Francis Bacon is also called as with another name.
Prince of Essays.
Huh? Innadi Prince of Essays.
Father of English is yes, sir.
Lord Verulam.
Sir, no, sir. Lord.
Lord Verulam. Verulam. Or Lord Ilvodi Vuram. He was called Prince of Essays. Francis Bacon is called Prince of Essays. That's under correct. But Francis Bacon is also called as Lord Verulam. That is also there. Okay.
Lord.
Then what can I ask? This and all they won't ask. Who wrote Magnetic Letter that I asked Ben Jonson? What is Our Life is a poem by? What is Our Life is a poem by?
Raleigh.
Sir Walter Raleigh wrote this poem. What is Our Life is a poem. Okay. Moreover, I have asked all this from that Word document. Okay. Any more questions you want to ask? You can ask now. I mean, like you can discuss. You can even ask questions. Like from net you should take. Okay. Don't take it from other sources. Don't put it in from. Don't take from Telegram channels also.
Sir.
Yes.
So theory, shall I ask questions in theory part?
No theory. Don't bring theory here. It's a British literature oriented session. We'll have literary theory separately. Don't bring it here.
Okay, sir.
Because theory needs to be read carefully, not like this. This and all we can use some elimination method and we can even write it British literature. But thing is like you should also study British literature thoroughly because British literature plays a very important role in for net exam. 60% of questions are asked only from British literature. So just have a look at chronologies and all. I am guessing this year they may ask Ben Jonson's chronologies. Not sure they may ask, but have a look at it. Okay, those are the important writers. Have a look at it. Okay, because they are focusing only mainly on the important writers from the particular age. So have a look at them. Then, but theory will have a separate session that will go each theory one day. Okay, like each theory 1 week. We'll prepare a lot and we need to discuss that in a deep manner because like questions are asked even from chronology also and from others also. So we need to discuss that in a vast way. Okay. So if you don't have any questions, I can end the meeting now. It's already 12:37.
So shall I close the PPT?
Yeah, you can close the PPT.
Yes.
You will receive this recorded session as well as the PPT and Word document I will send now to the current WhatsApp group, Let's Say Dream, and as well as to the Telegram channels. And this one, recorded session you will receive tomorrow. After putting it in YouTube, you will receive tomorrow. Okay. So thank you. Wait. Don't go. Where am I? If you're not in WhatsApp, just personally text me in Telegram, or else like if you are in WhatsApp, just text me hi. Okay, my number is 9626590864. You can just see there. Okay, I will send you. Okay, thank you all once again for showing more support towards the channel as well as for the rapid fire quiz session. Just prepare and come and prepare your own questions also from next time onwards. So next time I'll post the topics so you can prepare well because I'm giving a 1 week of time to prepare. Okay, so you can prepare well and even you are most welcome to ask your own questions too. Okay, so this is like cross learning. Okay, I will be asking and you are asking and we will be learning a lot because we won't forget this. Like this we will be able to answer in our net exam also. I have learned from this, from that sir, so that you can even eliminate it easily and you can even get the answers very correctly. Okay, I just want to say thanks to Pradeepa for helping me in all the ways possible, and he has made the PPTs and Word document. As I was working with my busy schedule, I am able to do that. From next class, I will do that, and I will also send you these PPTs and this Word document currently to the Netset Dream group. And tomorrow you will receive the YouTube video. Okay, you can just watch it. Okay, so don't watch it. Okay, just stop, pause it, and just make the questions whatever we asked. Okay, mostly we asked questions from the PPT slides as well as from the book that we had, Word document. So just read it, okay? Just don't get the PPTs and don't keep the Word document very safely. Just read it, okay? Just read it, have a look at it. Revision is very, very important for the British literature, okay? So this is what I want to say. And once again, thank you, Pradeepa, for helping me with the PPT and Word document. And thank you all once again for supporting us. Keep supporting. It's a dream. It's ready to do many things for you. With your support, we are running our channel. So thank you all once again. Thank you so much. And we have kept a lot of rapid fire quiz sessions also, and daily quizzes are posted in our Telegram group. You can attend that also, okay? So thank you all. Thank you all so much for attending this rapid fire quiz session and making it a small success. Thank you all once again. Keep supporting. Thank you. You all can leave the meeting now.
So thank you.
Thank you.